Guys, let me show you this. Yeah, with this little device you get to clean your ear completely, have better hearing, and it's really good for you. I highly recommend. We're gonna check it out now how it's done.
Tell me, it's good?
It's amazing.
Good?
Wait, just point a little bit. Yeah, it's perfect. Wow, that's wicked. So here we are, guys, getting our ear wax taken out by that candle that burns, and the air extracts all the excess wax you have in your ear. Everyone should give it a go. Really good for you. Cheers. So as you can see, guys, it's been a little while. I still got that candle burning over there. Still quite a while to go. But we're here, we're positive. I can hear some crackling noise. It's a little bit of heat, but it's actually quite a gentle, relaxing process. I've just done it on my other ear and I can feel it's way better already. And I think another couple of sessions of these a week should be good to go. Wow, look at that burn. Painless, absolutely painless. Quite relaxing, really. My phone is tilted a little bit, but I'm actually as straight as it gets. There you are. So you can see we're nearly there now. Oh my god, it looks like I'm smoking through my ears now. But hopefully this is gonna go away soon. No pain, it's just now that you really feel that there's a little bit of pressure, tiny bit more heat, but still pleasant. Just it's been about 5 minutes, I suppose, 5-7 minutes we're here. So I'm getting anxious to look. Oh, look at that, that's gonna fall down. Oh gosh. Here we go with the results of my ear wax cleansing with the candles. You have this brand called Serum Man. Yeah, worked just fine. I can easily hear better now. I must say, if you look at it, you can see that there's little pieces of wax in there. They're very strange, and that's real earwax. I've been struggling for a while now, guys, throughout winter. I had this really bad ear infection. I've been producing a lot of wax lately. There's some hair coming out of my ears as well. Lately I'm getting old. Looks like there was a lot of wax in there. It was giving me a little bit of throat pain. But I think now that I've used these candles, the drops, at some point it was a little bit painful. I even had to go for a course of antibiotics. But yeah, it looks like you need to be doing this every so often. All of you out there, get rid of your ear wax.